In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account as a payment method in Google AdSense. If you want to receive your AdSense earnings directly to your bank account, this is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can complete it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into the correct Google AdSense account and that you have your bank details ready. In most cases, you'll need your bank name, your SwiftBit code, and your account number. Having these details prepared in advance will make the setup much faster and help you avoid mistakes. Once you're inside your Google AdSense account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Payments. This section is where you manage how Google sends your earnings. After that, select Payments Info. This will open the page that shows your current payment settings, history, and available payment methods. On the Payments Info page, find and click Add Payment Method. This option allows you to create a new way for AdSense to send your money. Depending on your region and account setup, you may see slightly different wording here. You might see an option called Add New Wire Transfer Details, or you may see Add New Bank Account. Either one is fine, as long as it's the option for adding your bank payment information. Next, carefully enter your bank details in the required fields. Start with your bank name, then enter your SwiftBit code followed by your account number. It's very important to type everything exactly as provided by your bank. Even a small error in these fields can delay your payments or cause the transfer to fail. So take a moment to double check everything before moving on. Once your information has been entered, look for the option labeled Set as Primary Payment Method and make sure it is checked. This tells Google AdSense that this is the bank account you want to use by default for future payments. If you leave this unchecked, AdSense may continue using another payment method already on file, if there is one. Finally, click Save to confirm the new payment method. After saving, your bank account details should be added to your AdSense payment settings. It's a good idea to review the saved information one more time to make sure everything appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a bank account as your primary payment method in Google AdSense.